The first opinion of our scholars on who owns Khums, and the most popular of opinion until today, from the beginning of the occultation until today, is that the Khums is the belonging of the Imam. He owns the Khums. It's his money. It's his wealth. It's a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to the 12 Imams. So the Khums, at the time of Amir al-Mu'mineen, belonged to him. It was his. At the time of Imam Hussein, it belonged to him. It was his. At the time of Imam al-Rida, it belonged to him. It was his. At the time of the 11th Imam, it belonged to him. It was his money. And at the time of the 12th Imam, similarly, it belongs to him. Number two, they say no. The Khums belongs to the Shia community. The community of Shia. However, who is it controlled by? Who is it managed by? It's managed by the Imam. So it's managed by Imam al-Rida at his time. It's managed by Imam al-Jawad at his time. It's managed by Imam Hassan al-Askari at his time. And it's managed by Imam al-Mahdi at his time. But what happens in occultation? This is what we're going to talk about. He's not around. Number three, the third opinion tells you that the Khums does not belong to the Imam, and it does not belong to the Shia community. It belongs to Baytul Mal, the Islamic treasury. Where's the Islamic treasury? The Islamic treasury belongs to the Islamic leadership. Whoever is the leader of the community at that time, if there is an Islamic state, or there is a central leadership for the Shia community, they have a Baytul Mal, the treasury. Khums belongs to that treasury, and it's spent in the way that any other treasury would spend the money. Those are the three opinions on the ownership of Khums.